It worked though. Yeah. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Corey Wright. I'm gonna be turboing my GEN Civic. I guess I could have told y'all in a better way, like a reveal or some. I didn't think that far. I'm gonna go get some pizza. Alright, I ain't had this in a minute. Oh. It look New York, it tastes New York, you feel me? It tastes good. They're here, boys. Speed bump, can I make it? Yes, I can. Bro, I don't even know where to park. Oh yeah, we in the right place. That shit go crazy. Interior gutted, all that. Sheesh. Race gas. C85. Sheesh. That C probably weighs like 5 pounds, bro. Do it for real over here. This shit clean. Trust no one. Got the gold. Sheesh. Nah, I'm gonna have to get me something like this with all that power. Ya tú sabes. Your neck okay, sir? So as you guys can see from the title, I am going to be boosting the Civic. I have the PRL Stage 2 Turbo Kick. Boosted, boys! We have everything but the turbo. I did order the turbo, but precision is really behind right now. But yeah, man, we will be boosting the Civic. Everything, we have the turbo kit, we have fuel rails, injectors, picking up the injectors by today or tomorrow. I ended up getting a Precision 6266 Gen 2. It should spool a lot faster than Gen 1. It's made for higher horsepower if I do plan to make that much power. I think right now, the setup I'm running and me not having a built engine, I think the best thing to do right now is to go for low 400s. So to go along with the turbo kit, I also got the Gear X 1 through 4 kit for the transmission. So transmission should be good. At the end of the day, this is my daily driver and I don't really need this car blowing up. Yeah, I don't need that. That'd be bad. Let me show y'all what we got, man. Let me show y'all what we got. Well, I opened it kind of. I opened it a little bit. I was too hyped, but I didn't open all the boxes in the boxes. Other than the turbo kit, I did pick up RBC intake manifold, the adapter kit, it goes something like that. Acuity fuel rail, Acuity fuel pressure gauge. So it's gonna match and all that, yes sir. The RBC intake manifold adapter for the stock throttle body. There's all the piping, most of the piping for the kit. So y'all know I'm not capping. I did it. Pull the trigger, been working on this for months, man. I've been working on this for months, low-key, behind the scenes. All this Corona stuff going on, taking longer to come out. There's really been a waiting game, bro. I'm happy that it finally came. We boosted, boys. I've been going through a lot of shit, like finals week, moving out my apartment. I did all that within the last week, so like that's why I haven't been posting. But I'm gonna move into my new crib like in a week. So right now I'm homeless. I don't even have a place to I sleep on the couch, bro. We got more piping. More piping. This is the down pipe. Pretty sure it's capless, yep.
Boy, if you don't get...
In this box, we got the big new intercooler. Got the... I'm gonna show you all this when I actually get the turbo and I move into my new crib. So port bracket for the intercooler. It's the wastegate, precision wastegate. I know I gotta change out the springs, but I'm gonna let the shop do that. You open it, replace the spring and put it back, but I'm not trying to fuck some shit up that I don't know about. So they go right there. The wastegate. It's a PW46 external wastegate. Boy, glistening. Huh? I'm asking you.
Straight. That been a little wet, but it's straight.
Yo! Bro, we're gonna have a fire setup in the car, so I bought the pair and dual gauge setup kit. I'm gonna have the boost gauge, air to fuel ratio gauge, and the oil pressure gauge. So that shit's gonna look like a Batmobile, and all the gauges are digital, so. Yeesh. I don't have yet, but I have the DW300C fuel pump coming. I did get the Honda 4-bar map sensor in order to run more than 10 pounds of boost. Gonna be out. I'm not putting that in there. Gonna be a fast boy. Kinda fast. He's faster than now. It's pretty slow now. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. I hope y'all excited. I want to thank you guys for all the support. I love y'all. I'm with y'all. I'm with y'all because y'all feel me. You feel me? Like, you didn't have to subscribe. To make it to 1,000 in like 7 months, that shit is crazy. It wouldn't be possible without any of y'all. So I want to say thank you. Man, 1,000, bro. We're going for 10. We're going for 10 now. That's the new goal, man. Trying the next one. I'm out of here. Boom!
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion. They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to keep me on my balance? Niggas really tryna copy patterns. We was making them plays out the dark. I don't rap, but I'm leaving my mark. Play it hard like I'm playing guitar. They will rap like I'm playing a harp. Like wait. Can't cook, no girl, no way. In the past of the gang relay. I'm a fat biggest Rick these days. Put some bands in my closet. Brody told me I'll be fine. Fuck all the odds, these niggas be dodging. And most of these bitches I pay, I'm no mind.